What's up, everybody? I'm gonna pick a few locks for you tonight. It's 3. Nothing too special. It's this uhual, this brass uhual lock. Go ahead and get that picked open. Oh, wrong on there. It's got some spool pins in it. As soon as I hit that first pin, I get it false set. It took a little longer than expected, so I'm just gonna rake this other lock open here. Do the other one the same way. A majestic rake. Ooh. This lock costs $3 at Big Lots. It's fake brass. Excuse me. Same with this one. It don't open quite as easy though. Sometimes the shitty ones give you the hardest time. Bastard, gotcha. It's a Kmart. Fake brass too, I'm pretty sure. It's just colored metal. You can see on this one where it started wearing away. But anyway, until next time, peace out. Don't break the law neither. Remember that. Anybody out there, don't break the law.